Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Welcome to our 7th anniversary, AJ! Pwede mo tayo sumigaw ng happy anniversary in 3, 2, 1! Woo! Wow, thank you so much. You guys want to greet them? One by one.
Arneta, kamusta kayo lahat? Mag-ingat! Siguro magpakilala muna tayo kasi 7th anniversary natin.
Pwede.
Gawin natin yung original na ginagawa natin. I'm your pure boy, Justin!
Sige. Patay tayo dyan.
Simulan mo na. Bilang
simulan
leader, ikaw ang magli-lead. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. I'm your emotional leader, Seju. Let's go!
Oh, next. Sejun.
Grabe, no? 7 years.
Oh, next.
Sejun, kamusta ka na? Long time ah. Get in the zone break. Ako nga po wala. Tagal? Nasabihin ko ba talaga yun? Gagawin niyo lahat?
Oh, ginawa na niya eh.
Gagawin mo rin?
Ano?
Gagawin niyo lahat yun?
Wala akong choice. Gagawin ko kasi ginawa niyo eh. Oh, sige.
I'm the most charismatic member, Josh!
Panis! Ito matagal ko nang hindi ito ginagawa eh. What is up, Arneta? It's your heavenly voice! Stel, nice to meet you. Nakakamiss naman. Oh, next. Ken.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. I'm the sexiest main dancer.
Yes!
Let's be dancing. Let's go.
Asa yung sample? Asa yung sexy dance?
Hey! Bakit ganun?
May ginagawa pa siya dati, yung gano'n. Tsaka tumbling. Oh, next na.
Okay.
18! I'm your pure boy, Justin.
Kulang yan dyan. May ginagawa ka.
Get in the zone!
Break!
Hello everyone, we are
SB19! Listen lahat.
And welcome to our 7th year anniversary concert.
Hey!
Pero
Parang wala ng energy guys ah.
Oo nga eh. Parang masyado ata silang nabusog sa solos natin. Pero meron pang dalawa. Tama? Abangan niya mamaya.
Actually, binusog mo raw eh.
Ha?
Binusog mo raw.
Bakit nabusog ka ba?
Hindi naman. Narinig. Katahimikan. Hindi, kasi narinig kasi namin kanina, nahubad na yung kaliskis mo, Mr. Poseidon.
Hindi. Okay na yun. Ang maganda, meron pa mamaya si Pablo at si Ken. No, tama?
Yes. Abangan nyo.
Pero siyempre, hindi lang yun yung sineselebrate natin. Tonight, we are also celebrating this milestone with the one and only Francis Libiran. Yeah. Palakpakan naman natin si Sir Francis.
Yep.
Alam nyo, sa totoo lang, 18, we're very nervous for tonight kasi this is a different collaboration. Like mixing yung fashion and yung SB19 performances. Pero I'm sure, hindi nyo makakalimutan tong gabing to. we are very honored to present this different kind of collaboration, this kind of concert tonight. And we are hoping na excited kayo makita pa ang lahat. Tama ba, AJ? Do you guys want more? Okay, at dahil dyan, I think everyone's ready. Please welcome Maridance, W3, and Coach J! Let's go! Woo!
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.